XADO Red Flush is an effective solution for deep cleaning and protection of your engine's oil system, now with an increased amount of revitalizant. Thanks to advanced technology, it safely removes all contaminants, including carbon deposits and varnish, ensuring thorough cleaning of the entire oil system while remaining gentle on rubber seals. Even after draining the old oil, harmful deposits and acids may remain, causing the new oil to degrade more quickly. With our 2X TBN Boost technology, XADO Red Flush carefully neutralizes these residues, keeping the new oil fresh, efficient, and long-lasting. XADO Red Flush provides advanced cleaning, powerful protection, and maximum engine efficiency. XADO. Clean, protect, power up.